Mahiya naman kayo sa inyong kapwa Pilipino.
Binastos pa nila ako.
What is the law and what
Pakinggan ng proceeds of the illegal drug trade ng Duterte.
The law enforcement, the highest law enforcement official being head of PNP. Yeah. You're hiding the scoundrel, the fugitive.
Pero if we're going back to the evidence sa sinasabi ng mga ex-marine, sinasabi nila dito that there were alleged cash delivery na umabot ng 805 billion pesos. I think my next question to you is, logistically, financially,
Mm. Hindi. Hindi. Parang ang daming butas din. Ang
kasi hindi
sabi
pwede
niting
ma-wire transfer. Amlak
yes,
maliban na lang kung marami Amtrak, armor truck, bibitbitin mo sa bangko papunta ng correct. Hmm. Kumbaga hindi siya ano, hindi siya practical, hindi siya
ang dami.
practical logistic. Alam mo boss, remember
Sige po.
yung issue kay Saldico? Parang parehas na parehas sa playbook,
Yes.
Kasi remember yung sinabi ni Saldico na nagdadala sila sa Tamarind, number 10
Forbes Park.
Tamarind Street sa Ford's Park. Ganyan na ganyan din, may pera, ganitong amount, sinend through armored truck, tapos sinend daw going to the president through Speaker Romualdez. Parang parehas yung playbook. And then, may dinagdag pa silang twist dito sa kwento na gumamit daw ng helicopter tsaka airplane para daw ipadala itong mga pera na kung totoo yun, bakit sa tingin niyo po hindi inilabas yung verified and secured documentation and tracking evidence kung may nagamit mang helicopter at eroplano noong panahon nag-press con sila?
Malamang sasabihin nila diyan, ano, top secret o kunwari secret operation na. Hindi, yun ang sasabihin, Marines kami, top secret yan. Puwede rin yun. Sila kami nung nag-aakaano. Maghahabi sila ng isang naratibo to stop the public from asking more questions from them.
So
Sasabihin
instead of
gagamitin
like,
pagka
para
Marines
lumalag,
din.
instead of verifying yung mga evidence of what they are saying against the president, they just
Sige
wanna
po.
make like a colorful statement na wala namang evidence na magko-corroborate. Correct.
They will make
Ano po sa tingin
a narrative po. I'll repeat again,
hmm,
to shut down the public from asking further questions.
and mhm. And ano po sa tingin ninyo, bakit naging first route of them saying this issue to public, gamitin nilang press conference instead of them filing charges or complain legally?
Appeal to the public, appeal to their supporters, appeal to the
Hmm,
angry people, somebody to feed them, to feed their anger, their stupidity.
mhm.
Sad to say, sir, I repeat again, their stupidity. Somebody should feed their stupidity.
Tama